Hey, it's Bernie Goldbach, Top Gold on Good Social Networks at the Zombie Walk in Clonmel, County Tipperary, Ireland, using the DJI Phantom 3 Pro for some different video. Everything looks normal when I take off. It's an automatic takeoff. Looking at some crypts and some evil red lights. And I wanted to get a move that just basically went from the ground up, and we might use the move in a video of the night. But something happened. About the time I was halfway up the structure, little warnings started to appear on the iPad mini. It looked like this. Okay, and you can see what's happening here as it takes off. Good altitude control. Gets some interference from the band's audio that was. Then some extraneous warnings started showing up about motor overload. I felt the motors after the drone landed. They weren't hot. I suspect it's something with the intelligent battery not being so intelligent. Top Gold on Good Social Networks is where I live. Bye for now.